Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about stovekraft, another of those stocks that could be big, that could be between 12 to 15,000 crore market cap over the next 4-5 years. So let's understand about the business and let's understand why I am so bullish on the stock. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about stovekraft, here a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you will have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. Also, if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. And the Patreon membership can now be access again. There was a problem with the RBI norms, but now everything is settled, and many of my previous Patreon members are able to pay the way they were doing earlier. So if you were not able to pay earlier, probably 2 weeks back, 3 weeks back, you'll be able to do it now. So you can take the membership right now. Also, if you don't want to do that, you can take the membership directly through YouTube. So YouTube membership is also open. You get all the benefits of Patreon, plus you get 4 live sessions exclusively. One of that live session will be today on Friday. Every Friday evening there's a live session exclusively for members, so you can take the YouTube membership, which is monthly. Now about the company. Established in 1987, stovekraft provides a number of kitchen products and LEDs. So basically they are in the same segment as say Acrysil or SHIL, but they have a wide range of products, not only kitchen appliances. So their brands include Pigeon, Gilma, they have Pigeon LEDs, etc. And they have global presence in over a dozen countries. And you would understand that Pigeon is a strong brand in pressure cookers and many other kind of non-stick cookware. So it is a very established brand or company, stovekraft it is, and it has been a listing. I think it has been a recent listing. The market cap of the company is around 3200 crores, and that is what attracts me, because I believe such kind of companies could command a valuation of between 12 to 15,000 crores going forward. If you look at financials, then they were pretty good for Q1. So these are June quarter numbers. So sales went up by 2.3x and profit went up from 5.5 crores to 13 crores. It's humongous jump in profitability. A high combined promoter and institutional holding is there. Return on equity is strong at 22%, which is growing. Operating profit margin of 20% is very, you can say very strong, considering the kind of business they are into, which is very competitive. They have little bit of debt, but it is very negligible, virtually debt free company it is, stovekraft. If you look at the performance of the stock, so stock has done extremely well in the past few months. So it has been a recent listing and it has done very well after the listing. Even as things were difficult, it has produced very decent numbers. So you remember that the first quarter has not been that great, but year on year produced exceptional numbers. Yes, last year was a complete washout, but even then the numbers are very good, and valuations are still reasonable. It's not exorbitant, it's not very cheap, but it's not very bad either. It's very reasonable valuations at the moment, and numbers are set to improve as festive season looms. And you would think that probably September quarter might be on an even keel, but December and March could be big. So I'm believing that by next year, June, July, you would see the stock appreciably higher from here. It's a pure economic trade, pure opening up trade. So why I believe it can be big over the next 4-5 years? It has global presence in more than 12 nations. That's a big thing, because it's not just selling products in India, but selling across you can say continents. And having a number of products in various segments also help. It's not like selling only smart products or kitchen appliances. They are selling a wide range of products. So that helps them to gain margin from at least one segment, if not from all. It is a debt-free company. That's also a pretty good thing. And for a business of such kind, it is trading at three times earnings. So the earnings is around 1,000 crores, the market cap is around 3,000 crores. It is trading at around three times earnings, and that's why I'm saying that the market cap of such a business is not that big, not that huge. Valuations are reasonable and can be 4 5x from here in the next 5 years. I believe that it can be 15,000 crore market cap over the next 5 years. So that's a good appreciation that we are talking about. We are talking of 27 28% CAGR. So buy on declines would be the strategy, and hold 4 5 years and you'll see the difference. So if you look at the technicals, it has surged post listing in last 6 to 9 months. It has done exceptionally well and have been doing well for past few weeks. But now it is consolidating, and with the market declining and market showing some kind of volatility, we are looking at the stock down 10 15% from the top. I think around 900 950 could be very good levels to buy. 900 930 950 830 850 is a strong support. So any 10% decline from current levels, it's around 1,000. So any declines towards 900 880 would be very good to buy into from a long term point of view. So, in my opinion, buy at current price, some say 20 25% of the holding, and then wait for sharp declines to accumulate at around 900 levels. It's a good company. If economy really improves over time, this will really perform well, and I am hoping that the market cap will swell up. So, increase holding if stock doubles. So, what you need to do is you buy something here and you buy more beyond 2000. Don't buy a lot around these levels, but wait for the stock to perform and then keep on increasing your holding. So this was my video on stovekraft. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on Patreon and YouTube. Thank you.